It's here, guys. It is here. You know what that means. It's unboxing time. Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back here to Johnny's Corner. Today, it came in. We're finally going to do it. We are going to open up the Centurion magnet that I received from the company. I am super excited for the opportunity to be able to go ahead and do an unboxing here. I cannot thank Joshua enough for the opportunity to go ahead and receive one of these magnets and be able to review it. Not only that, to also have the chance to be part of this Centurion tribe, which is like a huge honor. I cannot say how thankful I am for this opportunity. But guys, let's get going. We're going to go ahead and open this up. So we're going to start with the small box first. Let's see what we got here. Alright guys, we have 2 bottles of Centurion thread lock. Very important. Anybody magnet fishing needs this stuff because when you get your magnets, it comes with an eye loop that you put your hook, your carabiner, or your rope tied all together. But where it twists together on the magnet, very important it's secured because if it's not, it can twist off and you can lose your magnet. So you want to make sure you have this stuff readily available for when you have a magnet. And you want to apply this 24 hours in advance, so that way there it has a good time to seal and bond to that magnet, keeping that thread locked. Therefore, thread lock. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get into the good stuff. This big magnet. I am super stoked. I cannot... Oh, I'm so excited. I've been waiting to open this to give you guys a video here. Alright, first things first, got some paper. Woo! Alright, I like how it's packaged. Oh, sweet. Oh, this is awesome, guys. This is awesome. We have here 65-foot polyester rope. It's braided. Very important that you have a good rope, because you're going to tie your magnet off, and you want to be able to pull it in. You don't want to get ripped apart. You want to make sure you got a good rope. Let's see what rope they got me. I love this case. This is pretty cool. Whoa. Alrighty, guys. Right from the beginning, I'm loving this carabiner. This is a heavy-duty carabiner. It comes with, the clip, and then you slide it up, and it locks in here. A lot of them have a twist type, but I like the heavy-duty on this. This is awesome. This is very, very awesome. That is important. I like how it comes with a plastic sleeve for it, keeping your rope sealed in here. It's 65 foot of rope. Plenty of rope to get you to where you got to throw out to. And I just love how it's, the braiding is very good. Very good quality. Very good products here at Centurion. I've already checked out their website, by the way. If you're interested in Centurion magnets, you can go ahead and see my link below. It'll bring you to their website, also where you can order from them. Very good quality products. I can't wait to give this a try. But the reason why I'm saying it's a good quality product before I even have tried it, I take my time to do my research. I've gone to their website, I've checked out the company, I've checked out their products, and I've also checked out other reviews online that the website has. And I am super impressed with the quality of just this website's layout. I'm impressed with how the company, first off, wants to take care of the environment, clean up the environment, and then their second view is they're there for the beginner, they're there for the intermediate, and they're there for the true, who do this every day for a living. The experts. They're there for any level of magnet fishing. They got your back with good quality products. I have seen so many reviews, and I'm super excited to even give this a try. I cannot wait. I've seen these, and I just want to take my turn to get out there and see it for myself. Get yourself one, try one. That's the truth. You can hear about it all day long, but until you give it a try yourself, that's the best. Alright, guys. Alright, holy moly. I like the packaging. Alright, guys, it comes in a cool case. I love this box already. That says Alpha Series on all sides of this magnet, however you turn it. I just love it. I love it. Let's see. Slide that right off there. Alright guys, first things first. Comes with a Centurion stick. No, I thought it was a sticker. It is a note from Joshua, the founder and the CEO of the company. I love this. I love it. Thank you, Josh. Thank you so much to you and the whole company giving me this opportunity to go ahead and receive your product and review it. And go ahead and just start my adventure teaming up with Centurion Magnetics. Cannot wait for this adventure. Got some styrofoam. I like how it's put together well. I've ordered magnets in the past and they've just been thrown together in a box. This company obviously takes pride in their product. Alright guys, this is awesome. Comes with a tutorial. It's a QR code. You scan it and it gives you access to the basic setup of using the magnet. I love this. I've seen this before on their website, how they claim each magnet comes with one. Now that's awesome because there's some people out there beginning, don't know, have a single clue how to set up their magnet, and they just go and just want to get out there. I love how they go ahead and try to get them set up from the beginning. I love that. We got some cool little stickers, Centurion Magnet brand stickers. Awesome. I know where these are going to go. See them real quick there. I love the logo. I love the logo. All right, inside of here, we have the eye hook. And then we have the well-awaited, oh, that's good. I love this. Woo. And you have the beauty herself. Didn't really know much about a clamp magnet, so of course I do my research. One thing I love about it is this steel case. Your magnet's encased inside of this steel case. With each side of this magnet combined, it gives it a larger magnetic field. So you could grab onto more and pull in. Overall, from what I'm seeing, gives you a amplified magnet fishing experience. I cannot wait to give this a try. Alright guys, so I took a quick second to go ahead and put the eye hook on. It does not have the thread locker on here. I just want to show you what it would look like fully assembled here. This is roughly about 6 inches in height. That's including with this. It's about 4 inches without it. It's roughly about 2 pounds. I just love the solidarity. I just love how rugged this thing is made. This is going to be awesome to fish with, guys. Get this in the water tomorrow and give it a try. I might even go today. This is awesome, guys. But here it is. Here's the magnet. It's got its logo etched in right there. It's a Centurion Magnet Alpha Series 950. 475 pounds per side. What sets this differently from other magnets is that it's got this clamp. And this clamp allows you to have a greater magnetic field, which equals easier clamping when it's journeying through the water. I've done my research. I love this. I love this. I love this. A lot of people are using them. A very good quality magnet. So once again, in this kit, it comes with the magnet, comes with stickers, and it comes with the tutorial, and it also comes with the letter from the CEO and founder of the company, Joshua. Great man. Always, it's just a great company. We've been talking back and forth. I cannot stress how great of a company this is. It means the world to me. High quality rope gets you one. Really good rope. I just look at that clamp, guys. That is awesome clamp. That is a truly awesome clamp. I love it. I love how it's set up, and I love how it comes with a bag. I cannot tell you how many ropes I've had, and it does not come with a bag, and it's just tangled up in my bucket. That's where we all start. We all have a bucket, and that's where we keep our rope. But Centurion Magnet, they take care of you. They give you a bag, keeping organization clean, simple, and you're going to have a great time magnet fishing. So whether you are a beginner, intermediate like myself, or an expert doing this for years, make sure you give this company a try and see what you think for yourself. I cannot stress enough. The website is very useful, very easy to navigate. You can order your product. It tells you about the company. For me, it's the company's everything. I love how they care about the environment, first off. Second off, they care about the magnet fisher. Whether you are a beginner or you are truly been doing this for years, they care about each and every one of you, and they want to make your experience the best. And what they really like about it is that they're there for the little guys, wanting you to have the best quality product starting out with. And I wish I would have found this brand when I first started, because the way they care about little guys, they package your stuff, that they stand by their product, and it just, to me, it shows that this is something I'm not going to have to worry about, you know, eye hook coming loose or the magnet being not as good quality as stated. They stand by it, and they have an easy access, so you can contact them anytime. If you need to get a hold of them, you can do so through their website. They got customer care. They're there for you each step of the way. Whereas other magnets in the past, I don't ever talk bad, but I've ordered some and it's not what I thought it was. And yeah, it gets you feeling down, because you save up your money for a magnet and you invest that money into a magnet, and it's not what they say it is. This is what they say it is. I can tell you right now, this is solid. Super excited to give this a try tomorrow, and I just love that I've been given the opportunity to do so. So guys, yeah, if you're thinking about it, please feel free to check them out. Go ahead, go to their website, CenturionMagnetics.com, and check them out. See what they have. And if you're interested in it, like I said, there will be a link below. Go ahead, click that link. It'll bring you right to that website, and you can go ahead and start your adventure with them. But that sums it up. Really cool products. I really like it. So I cannot wait to get out there. So I'm going to have to get this packed up and get ready to go. Apply this thread lock so it'll be ready to go for tomorrow. Until then, guys, we'll see you on the other side.